There's people trying to kill me, other than me. There's people trying to kill me, other than me. There's people trying to kill me, other than me. My heart is like a drum, pum-pum-pum-pum-bum. I can't say what I want, my conscience weighs a ton. There's nowhere I can run, I thought it would be fun if I grab everyone inside the room and decided they're all done, and do them something foul, like burn them to the ground. I don't feel safe and sound, my ego makes me trip and kicks me while I'm down. When no one is around, I can't throw in the towel.
Gunshots, played on my nurseries. I lost real cousins in the robbery. Fast food cigarettes in my arteries. Rapper Dan make it back off the catalog. Real thief turned that into a sing-along. My brother laid out, mixed wrong pills. Ironies that he got it from an MD. Somehow he would've thought that would've stopped me. Pop one, pop